So today we are in our guitar method supplement book and we are playing lesson number 10 and it is Go Tell Aunt Rhodie. It doesn't have repeat signs at the end, but we are going to go through it 2 times and we are going to do it at 50 beats a minute so that it's nice and slow so you can learn to play along with me and not be rushed. So before we go any farther, I want to do a little bit of music theory here. Okay, Go Tell Aunt Rhodie is in 4/4 time. Now, for those of you who know what I'm going to talk about, just ignore this or fast forward it. But for those of you who have always been interested in what do these symbols and numbers and everything mean in music, this is music theory. So this is 4 beats a measure on the top. That's what that 4 means. 4 beats a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom one tells us which note gets 1 count. So it's kind of like a fraction. The bottom number is the quarter note. And a quarter is a symbol of 1/4, or a quarter cup, a quarter in money. And so this is your quarter note. It's a little black note, has a stem on it, and it's either this direction or that direction. And it gets 1 count. Now, just like with our baking or our money, you've got your whole cup and your whole note. This one gets all of the counts. It gets 4 counts. And so just like if this was your 1 cup in measuring, in cooking, it takes 4 quarter cups to equal 1 whole cup. And if you're using money, it takes 4 quarters to equal $1. Now we have one more, and this is our half note. So think a half of cups. So 1 whole cup takes 2 half notes. 1 whole dollar takes 2 50-cent pieces. So that's how you can kind of remember how this works. So in our song, Go Tell Aunt Rhodie, we have the whole note, which gets 4. We have a half note, that's the very first note of the song, which gets 2. And then we have the quarter note, which gets 1. So I hope that helps a little bit to help you start learning how to read music and what all these different notes and numbers mean. Okay, let me take a sip and we're going to get started. I'll turn on my metronome here. We're doing it with a slow rock beat, so Go Tell Aunt Rhodie's going to get her bad news to a little bit of a beat. Okay, so we are starting on our E string. And if you are interested, real quick, while I'm thinking about it, I also teach to play notes by number on the or by color on the guitar. So if you're interested in that, comment down below and I will make some videos on how to set up your guitar for color, how to set up your music for color, and you'd be surprised how quick you will learn to play guitar just by learning the colors first. And this is a great way for young kids to learn to start playing music. And I do it all the time with desk bells and boom whackers. And it is a surefire way, and even piano I've taught to play by color. It's a surefire way to learn how to play quickly. So let's get our beat back so we can go give Aunt Rhodie the bad news. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. So you can play a whole song on just the first 2 strings, and that's the best way to get started. Learning to play the notes on the first string, add the second string, then the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, to where you're playing all 6 strings and you're getting to know where those notes are. Okay, let's bump up Go Tell Aunt Rhodie a little bit to... Oop, that went way past where I wanted it to go. Okay, so here we are. We're at 60 beats a minute now. Okay, let's play Go Tell Aunt Rhodie at 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, so that was Go Tell Aunt Rhodie at 6 beats or 60 beats per minute. So I hope you had fun with that. And don't worry about it if you can't do it right away. The more you practice, the faster you will get. Just don't give up. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. And the next one is Oats and Beans. And that's number 11 in the supplement book. I'll see you later.